To the
seconds. Yeah, the vote.
Get his hand trunk coordinated.
Trunk eye coordination.
Or trunk.